Yeah, so when you think about our overall strategy, this goes back now, I don't know, 4 or so years when we really started to double down on private AI, which was not really mainstream at the time or even part of mainstream thinking, which was, if you wanted to do anything with AI, you needed massive scale, you needed to leverage just only hyperscaler-based solutions, and you were gonna have to accept the fact that you were gonna have to give up some control of your data to do it, and we fundamentally didn't agree with any of that. Sure, like I've mentioned before, we ourselves use frontier models in the public cloud, but there's a lot of these use cases where I need to be able to bring the AI model adjacent to my data to maintain privacy control, my privacy compliance or regulatory mandates that I need to adhere to, and really have that flexibility to pivot when change occurs because new models are coming out every day. NVIDIA just at its latest GTC conference announced massive investments in uh, expert models that are small language models that have this flexibility that are bringing more control back to people. So when you think about what is VCF looking to do, it's helping to maintain privacy and control of data, lowest total cost of ownership, which is super important today. You think about the cost of hardware, the cost of memory, the cost overall of an AI server, and then when you compound that with the cost of energy, these are real concerns that organizations have where they're trying to bring AI to different parts of the world, or they're trying to grow as much AI capacity as they can in a constrained environment, which is constrained by floor capacity, constrained by power, and things like this. So when you start to virtualize your overall AI capacity, you can use 100% of available capacity 100% of the time. You can typically tend to run far more workloads on this shared environment compared to having all of these different AI islands and doing so with a common operational plane, a common way to orchestrate and schedule the resource allocation across these different nodes in your AI clusters. Taking this distributed infrastructure as a service approach to AI. These are really hard problems. And these are things that we've been doing for the last 25 years. We're really good at them. And we're doing this in a way that's very partner friendly. So we have an OpenAI compatible API as a dial tone. We have a CNCF AI conformant Kubernetes. We can do all of that resource scheduling and load balancing. So what you're seeing from us is a very open and modular approach to delivering AI services for our customers and doing it in a way that really creates a lot of room to collaborate with our partners where we don't have all of this overlap. So that's really what's been key for us. Build that foundation, build that distributed, highly intelligent IaaS layer for artificial intelligence, and then allow our partners to come in and then complete the stack and add that last mile of value for our customers.